my name is Claire Sporck, and I am a food photographer and food stylist here in Los Angeles, and I'm here today with the Desire Company. Alright, so I'm going to show you guys how to use this blender, my favorite Vitamix. And we have our frozen smoothie cubes, and I'm just going to pop out a few of them, maybe about 4. And I usually do this when I just need a smaller smoothie or just like a quick protein shake. So this blender, Vitamix blenders, are really great for a really high power blender. And I use it for making nut milks, for smoothies, or anything where it just needs to blend like really frozen things or thicker things. I'm just gonna add a little bit of extra greens. So just about a small handful. And then we're gonna do a splash of almond milk or any non-dairy milk or dairy milk of your choice. So I'm gonna pour in about just a ½ cup. And this is more of a smoothie snack because it's smaller and it doesn't have all of the smoothie elements to it. You add on the lid and it's really secure. And this top part comes off as well. So if you wanna maybe stick a spatula down there, as long as you don't get it too close to the blade. But you just have it there secure. And this one, because it's an older version, it only has the 2 speeds. It has a lower speed and a high speed, which is really all you need. So I usually switch. All right, and that is it. Blend it up and you have a meal in minutes.